Ordered by the state, Orange County Public Schools drops a survey on the health and safety of its students. The district receiving a letter from the Florida Department of Education saying they have, quote, grave concerns about the district's participation in this survey. It monitors the risks of suicide, drug use, and more among students. The latest data show more than 40% of Orange County students felt sad or hopeless. 20% have considered committing suicide. News 6's Lauren Cervantes spoke with a board member. She found out the district had no idea it could not participate in this survey.
The district says they knew they couldn't administer a statewide survey, and they took steps to make sure that didn't happen. But school board member Angie Gallo tells me they didn't know that they couldn't administer a local survey, which is done through the CDC and a grant they have with them.
We required that each school send out a Connect Orange, letting parents know of the students that were selected, letting parents know that this was coming. They had access to view the questions in advance, and they had the opportunity to opt out if they did not want their child to participate in the youth risk survey.
Orange County Public Schools board member Angie Gallo is talking about the Youth Risk Behavior Survey through the CDC, which is a requirement for the district to participate in through the CDC grant they've had for years. On the CDC's website, it lists the questions on the 2023 National Youth Risk Behavior Survey, and they include questions like, have you ever been physically forced to have sexual intercourse when you did not want to?
We got questioned from the Department of Education, and we didn't realize that we should not administer that. We wouldn't, had we known, we wouldn't have administered the YRBS.
It was this letter that the district received from Education Commissioner Manny Diaz. It reads in part, quote, this letter serves to share my grave concerns regarding your district's participation in this survey. As such, an inflammatory and sexualized survey is not in the best interest of Florida students.
When we were notified and questioned on it, you know, Dr. Vasquez immediately said, as she mentioned at the school board meeting last night, that she would not send the data to the CDC, that we did administer it, we do have it. We will not be submitting it to the CDC as part of the grant.
Gallo tells me since they did not send the results, they're waiting to see if there are repercussions or any type of financial impact and what that might look like. For now, in Orange County, I'm Lauren Cervantes getting results, News 6.